If you're a blueberry lover, these blueberry cookies are amazingly yum with a berry twist. Gooiness from the inside, delicious sweet from all the white chocolate chips, and irresistible melt in the mouth. This recipe is egg-free and all the ingredients are easily put together and ready in no time. Hey guys, this is Darshi and welcome to my Sugarush kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make eggless blueberry cookies. So first I'm going to start by combining all my dry ingredients. I have 1 cup of self-raising flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Now combine the dry ingredients and keep aside. Now here I have 1/3 cups of softened butter. I'm going to beat it till it's light and fluffy. Now add a 1/3 cup of sugar. Continue beating. Now I'm going to add a 1/3 cup of frozen blueberries. Now add all the dry ingredients. Now fold in 1/3 cups of white chocolate chips. I'm now going to scoop the cookie mix and place it on a silk mat or a cookie mat. I'm now going to bake this in my preheated oven for about 12 minutes until the edges are dry. My blueberry cookies are now baked and ready. Store them in an airtight jar and enjoy them for up to 10 days. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to your experience on this recipe in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more.